Yeah, hi, I'm Alok Joshi, my wife Reena. We are based in Delhi, Mandakini Apartments. We bought this house in 2017. We were looking for a lift. This was a Pitless lift. Architect suggested we should go for this. And we went to few places where the lift was installed. We saw that it was good. So I think this was the best. Yeah, basically, we are on a second floor, my old parents, and we are also growing old. So we thought it's better to have a lift. We searched for the home lifts and we needed safety and all for our kids, for our parents, for us. It is UV certified, so with European standards. So we thought it is the best. This is a fully customized lift. So as per our requirement, it was designed. Size can be altered in this. Complete interiors can be as per your choice, as per the place you are staying in. So we had a panoramic view in this and we bought it. It comes with complete structure with it. So we got it installed and now it is working perfectly fine. So as we were looking for a home lift, Elite Elevators, I think they are the authorized people for ThyssenKrupp in India. So we are dealing with them only. It's a maintenance-free lift and you don't need a machine room in this. And I don't think so any grease and all is required. So perfectly fine as a home lift. You are free from these kind of hassles. So I think one should go for it and opt for it. It's a good lift. And I think I too will recommend it to my friends in my family. But I think people should go for it. People should opt for it. And it's very secured for a family. And even your old parents, your kids, they're very secured. I think it is the best as a home lift. I think Elite Elevators is a real home lift. So one should opt for it.
And it's pet friendly also.